This CB's giving me nothing but grief at the moment. Well, Speedo failure. I'm just testing the drive plate there in the hub. That all seems fine. That's not broken. And the Speedo drive itself seems absolutely fine. That's turning all right. So the problem is somewhere up between the cable, either at this end or the other end, and the Speedo unit itself. I'll just need to detach this end too, which I'll use the mole grips for. That's at least an application that they are fit for purpose for. But I was riding home from the fuel station, and when I got home it was still on 0, and I looked down and I noticed the Speedo just decided to pack up. So I've taken the whole unit out and I just need to inspect. That seems okay. The square drive on that end's alright, but when you look at the other end, it seems to have sheared off. There should be a square drive on the end there. I'm not absolutely certain, but there should be. Just like this one on the Speedo end. So I'm just gonna have a look at the cable at this end and see what's going on with it, or at least the connection inside. I just need to undo that screw that we've got on the end there, and just in doing so, it's quite easy to get out actually. That's a nice easy fitting. Wasn't at all. I thought that was going to be corroded up. I mean, the bike's 15 years old. It was alright. So the Speedo drive itself seems to be fine. That operates correctly. If you look at the female end of the cable, you can see this isn't a serviceable part. So that Speedo drive, as you can see, that's operating okay. It's turning the male end. So it's clearly a problem with the actual cable, and clearly the actual inner cable has snapped, so it won't be turned by the female end there. As you can see, that square end isn't turning as I turn the screwdriver in the female end. So therein lies our problem. Just sheared off. So I'll need to go ahead and replace this. At least it's a nice cheap fix, and a lot simpler. If I'd have had to have replaced the whole Speedo unit, that would have had issues of its own, because that would play havoc with mileage readings and things like that. So I'm going to go and get a new cable on order, and we'll get this fixed and buttoned up.